Tecno has launched the Spark 20 with some incredible features. The Spark 20 is powered by MediaTek Helio G85 processor, and it also runs on Android 13 but not the Go edition. This phone comes with 128GB internal storage and 4GB of RAM. Then you can expand the RAM to another 4GB of RAM, making it 8GB of RAM. As for the camera aspect, it comes with 50MP main camera and 32MP selfie camera. This phone features 5000mAh battery with 18W charger, the same deal from what we get from the Spark 10 Pro. Moving to the unboxing experience, this is the packaging box. This is how the phone in Spark series are normally packed. Opening the box, the first thing you see is the phone, wrapped just like the previous Spark series. Then there is a bumper case that is both transparent and flexible. Digging into the box, the first thing we see is the 18W fast charger. That impressed me. The USB Type-C cord, a pair of earpiece, and lastly the SIM reject pin. Please, before we move on, if you are new to my channel or this is the first time of you coming to my channel, please give me a favor by hitting that notification bell and subscribe to my channel so that you will be updated whenever I drop a new video, just like this one you're watching. Let's talk about other things. As for the color, this one right here is the Gravity Black color, and the price goes around 115,000 naira. Talking about the design, this is the same design that comes with the previous Tecno Spark 10 Pro, both the camera bulb and the LED flashlight. It comes with 50MP main camera and depth sensor with LED flashlight with 32MP selfie camera. That is the same deal from what we got in previous Tecno Spark 10 Pro. It also comes with side-mounted fingerprint which serves as the fingerprint scanner and the volume up and down rocker key. At the left corner is where we find the SIM house, which accommodates 2 nano SIM card with a space of SD card slot. Spark 20 also comes with a Type-C charging port. It also supports stereo speakers. Let's see how the speakers sound like. That sounds very well. This is some of the pictures taken with the Tecno Spark 20, both the flashlight mode, AI mode, and night mode photos. So take a look at it. Tell me the color that the phone produces on the comment section below. The camera supports slow motion mode, but the voltage will mostly make sense when the scene has sufficient light. Unless you lock the autofocus of the camera, you will find out that it changes color so many times. Finally, the video mode. It supports 2K recording. So I'm recording on 2K 30 frames per second. So tell me how the color that the camera produces. Another aspect is that it also supports 10 times optical zoom, which helps in bringing far objects closer. The video mode also gives access to manual focus using focus level. But once video recording begins, the focus level will disappear, and the only way you can focus the camera is by touching the screen. That is by the way. Let's talk about other things. As for the processor, this phone is powered by MediaTek Helio G85 processor. Wow, I might say that the processor that comes with the previous Spark 10 Pro is much better than the one that comes with Tecno Spark 20 Pro. What do you think? This phone is powered by IP-LCD 720 by 1612 pixel resolution. Not even that, it also supports dynamic bar, just like the Infinix Smart 8 and Tecno Pop 8, which I did the review few days ago. Another aspect is that it can pick a brightness of 500 nits. It also supports 90Hz refresh rate for smooth scrolling. You can switch in between 60Hz or 90Hz if you wish to do so. Thanks for watching. If you find this video valuable, please subscribe and share, and also turn on the notification bell. Catch you guys on next one. Peace out.